In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a PowerPoint presentation in a Weebly site. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then log in to your account. From your dashboard, select your website and click Edit Site to open the editor. Before continuing, make sure your PowerPoint is uploaded online and you have the Embed Code or iframe link. You can get this from platforms like PowerPoint Online or OneDrive. Once you are inside the editor, go to the Build tab. On the left side, find the Embed Code element and drag it onto your page where you want the presentation to appear. Click on the element and select Edit Custom HTML. Then paste your PowerPoint embed code into the box. Your presentation will now be visible directly on your website, allowing visitors to view slides without downloading anything. When you're done, click Publish to make it live. That's how to embed a PowerPoint presentation in a Weebly site. Thanks for watching.